Welcome, everyone. It is, in fact, Wednesday right now. It is in my time zone, at least. I don't know. Maybe I should put a note on the screen that I am possibly still sick. If I sound sick, it's because I am. Because that's how it is. That's how life is sometimes. You know, you're just out there and you're like, you know, sick. Anyway, welcome Stanley, welcome Stream Elements, welcome Ranmu, Edwardbra, Hamplo, Slimemolder, Cole, Neo Zero, and Yuyuko. Thank you for the 33 months. That is a lot of months. That is many months. And I said that's everyone. That's literally everyone. Anyway, this is today's background. You might be wondering where this is. Well, it is actually Greece. It is in fact in the nation known as Greece, specifically the monastery of Rusano Meteora. That's it. Anyway, this is today's drawing. Me fishing. Also, thank you Slimemolder for the 30 months. That is many months. That is a lot of months as well. Alright, so what we're doing today, oh man, my voice. Well, what I'm going to be doing today, that's right, I know how to use words, is I'm going to open web fishing. However, no one plays web fishing. No one really cares about this game anymore. And so I probably will not actually be playing it. I will have the lobby open. However, my plans for today is that I'm going to make a game. A game that is related to fishing. I've been doing a lot of game development, learning game development skills, and I think I suggested this. I don't know why I said suggested. I came up with this idea, and I talked about it on Monday, and I was like, what if, you know, we do fishing games every Wednesday. We had web fishing, we had VR fishing. What if, you know, every Wednesday I made like a short fishing game? And I don't mean like over the course of several weeks. I mean like in one stream I make like one small fishing game, and then it's playable and it'll be like a very minimal game. It's, you know, maybe even like a tech demo or something. That'll be it. That'll be today. I haven't had really plans for what kind of game it's going to be. It's going to have fishing, of course. I should turn off my VPN, because, you know, if I have my VPN on and I'm going to be like watching videos, you know, because like, you know, when you're learning how to program games, a lot of times there's like tutorials on YouTube. It's like, you know, you watch the video and YouTube's like, hey, you're on VPN, we cannot show this to you, you gotta log in. But then if you're not on VPN, they let you do it. So I will turn off my VPN. I will make a new lobby, because presumably it disconnected me. Go back here, and then we got this one. All right. Yeah, what the? Did you see that text? Despite the name, this game is 100% spider free. Is that real? Okay, here's the lobby code. No one even joins this game anymore. Okay, we're pasting the code. We pin it. I'm sure some people maybe at some point will try to join. Maybe like a hacker will show up. I'll be like, hey, show yourself. And then they'll be like, it's me, I'm not a hacker. And then I'm like, all right, you can come in. And then they come in, and then they're a hacker. And then I have to kick them. That's how it goes. Anyway, what kind of game am I going to make? I don't know. Let's open up Godot. Sorry, where's Godot? Godot Vim? Where's my Godot installed? What the heck? Purple Day, spoilers, Purple Day. Do I not have Godot? There it is. We have the Godot engine installed. Let's make a new project. A new fishing 2025-03-26. Compatibility mode. Create it. Okay. Also open up a sprite, because we're gonna make some graphics. Everyone loves graphics. Imagine not enjoying graphics. Okay, new, this is gonna be, I don't know, 32 by 32. Index mode, transparent, okay. We're gonna have 16 by 16 sprites. Grid settings, set that to 8. We have the little grid in the middle. This is where we draw our sprite. I'm just gonna use the default palette because that's the kind of person I am. Default palette Andy. Alright, and if anyone is going to join and I'm not focused on the game, feel free to say in the chat, be like, Wolfie, I'm trying to join the web fishing lobby, but you know, there's no one is accepting my attempt to join. And then I'll be like, oh shoot, my bad guys. And then I tab back in. Alright, so we got Godot. What are we gonna do? 2D, it's gonna be a 2D game. I probably should have decided what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, we're gonna have like a guy, okay? A guy who is fishing. Simply just, I don't know, let's have some, what if it was like, what if we remade web fishing, but in 2D? We could have a web fishing cat. Welcome A Poland, a 4D game. That's impossible. You can't have that. It's not even real. There's no such thing as 4 dimensions. As everyone knows, there's only 2 dimensions. That's the only thing that exists in this world. Actually, maybe 16 by 16 was too much. I feel like 8 by 8 is like a good dimension for like quick prototyping, because there's like only so much you can do. If you have like 16 by 16, it's like, you know, you got so many different things you could draw. And I'm like, I don't know if I want to do that. That's like so much. Okay, so we have a cat. This will be this will be our character. So true. Welcome Namington. Okay, we have fish. If you were to make a game that had fishing, what would it be? What kind of game would you make? You could have any game that has fishing. The best fishing minigame of any game you've ever played, what would you say it is? Perhaps web fishing? Perhaps Legend of Zelda? Perhaps a different game? We don't know. Alright, I'm going to change this to a smaller size. Let's go to sprite size 16 by 16. But then it's not going to be 16 by 16 because it's going to be 4, 4, and then 8 and 8. Okay, so we have this one in the middle. Now we have a smaller thing to work with. Smaller canvas size. Okay, so what kind of game? What if we make... Oh man, I should have... This is not even going to be interesting content. It's just going to be like me being like, what if we make this? And then I'd spend the entire stream not actually making it. But then I keep going like, oh, what if I did this? What if instead of doing that, I did this? Nothing. There's literally nothing. You can't even do it. Okay, let's try drawing our character. Our little web fishing cat. We have got this color right here, right? This is literally the cat. This is literally the same cat. Okay, we have this, right? And then, as you all know, the cat has eyes. As many cats often, they have eyes that they use to see. And this is no exception. This cat, in fact, also has eyes. 2 of them perhaps. What if it didn't have eyes? So true. Actually, you're so right. What if the cat didn't have eyes? What if it was actually, because we have such a small resolution that we can't even fit the anything. Okay, and then the cat has clothing, because as you all know, cats, they do sometimes wear clothing. Not always. But in this case, it's going to be wearing green clothing. Okay, this green, often associated with fishing. right? And then you're like, and then what? Well, what if it had arms? That's right. Cats, they often have arms. Actually, they have legs. They have 4 legs. Some may say that those legs are arms, but I don't know how true that is necessarily. Okay, and then what? And then I don't know. Eye patch. I think maybe it should have an eye. It should have 2 eyes. What if I just find graphics online? itch.io. Too many requests. What? What are you talking about? Cat asset. 16 by 16. Platformer. Ooh, Neko Cafe. Oh, what is this? That looks nice. Use GPT? I don't think I will. That is the last thing I would want to do. You think I'm going to use AI to generate art? As an artist, I don't think so. I think that's cringe. Welcome, Accidente. Yeah, we're fishing. I'm trying to make a game. I don't actually... Should have decided before I started on this. Okay, what if we use... I don't want... I mean, I should make my own graphics. I can't be just... I don't know. We're gonna like end the stream and we'll have nothing done. I mean, but this is good though, because I think part of the challenge with making games is prioritization. And then like if in this stream I don't get anything done, then next time I'm like, okay, I should spend less time on the graphics, just focus on, you know, using placeholders, and then, you know, just get the gameplay, the core gameplay mechanics out there, and then it works, and we have a game to play instead of caring about our characters, you know? I don't know. This is hard. This game, you know, let's delete. You know, let's delete this guy. Get this guy out of here. Let's just no. Okay. Okay. What if we just had this? What if instead of having colors, it was just plain white? I think for like readability purposes, this makes more sense. Right? It's like it's easier to tell that it's a cat. Okay, and then we have this, right? Now that we have this, all we gotta do is maybe now we have walking, new frame. Okay, gotta have walking animations, right? If you are a cat, you in fact do often have to walk places. And now we gotta have side view. This is gonna be a top-down game. We have multiple perspectives. We have a cat. This looks kind of weird. This cat. How would you draw a cat from the side view? Perhaps like this. And then that's not how it works. That's not how graphics work. Imagine having graphics. What if I just copy these? I mean, I think these are pretty good. There's some good graphics right here. The graphics on level 3. There's not even levels. There's not even levels, man. How do you draw a cat from the side? I feel like... See, these don't have side view. They only have... I guess it's like slightly side view. I need like exactly side view. Cat. What if it was like this? It doesn't have to be a cat. It could just be. It could just be a guy, rightward facing. This is not working. Okay, well, what if we We're 20 minutes into this game jam. I got nothing. Okay, what if... Welcome, Yurga. If you were to make a game... No, you have to... Okay, what if instead of being a cat, it was just me? Let's just have Wolfie, you know? Typical Wolfie. Just have the hat, the fishing hat. Like this. What if I just reuse the graphics I made last time? Remember that one? That one was good. When I did that one thing in Pico 8. I think that would be good. That'd be nice, perhaps. 24 hours to make something in RPG Maker? No, this is gonna be in Godot. Everyone knows Godot is the new meta. 3-hour game jam is pretty rough if you're not super experienced. No, I have so much experience. You don't even know. If this one fails, it's fine. This is just a learning experiment, okay? At least I will have something. I'll have graphics at least, maybe. I'll have some semblance of a fishing mechanic. Possibly. Okay, what if instead of making it low resolution, I make it just large, and then I just don't care about sprite size. It's gonna be 32 by 32, and then we can go to the grid settings. What is it? 16 here. Okay, we're just gonna draw large. It's just gonna be. I can't use that color because it's a transparent color. Okay, so we have this. This guy right here. No, it's gonna be a cat. Okay, we gotta have this be cats. It kind of looks like Pikachu. Wait, what if this was Pikachu? It kind of looks like a pig as well. Okay, there we go. There's a cat. And then we have this. And then this cat Pikachu is just gonna be like this. It's gonna be so cool. Everyone's gonna be like, "Well, this game is awesome. How do you make this, Wolfie?" And then I'll be like, you know, it's just how it is. It's just how life is sometimes. Okay, so this is our cat. Okay, we have this. It's gonna have clothing. And oops, didn't mean to do. What is this? Microsoft Clipchamp? Does anyone know? Is that a thing? Welcome Rafty. Thank you for the 6 months. Clipchamp. Never even heard of this. I don't even know what that is. It's like PogChamp, but with clips. Okay, we have this. Okay, the cat has arms. Okay, the arms are here. It's perfect. Look at this. Never even seen a cat like this before. It's got so much character. Too much even. They'll be like, you gotta stop. There's too much character in this cat. Welcome Xtag. It's a video editor. Is that what replaces the Windows Movie Maker? Is that the new thing? Alright, so this is our cat. There it is. Welcome Hoppy Hollow. And then, you know, the cats, they gotta be... You know, it's fine. This is fine. It's like this. And then, okay, what do we look like in the game? Well, we have... we have the black shirt. Didn't know I was spriting. I'm making a game. Literally a game right here. Okay, so it's like that. And then we have green thing here, like this. And that's good, right? Okay, that's good. And then, okay, and then simply you move it upward over here. So now we have front. Let's add a new tag, idle front. And then we add a new frame for walking. Okay, a walking frame. This one, well, if you're going to be walking, obviously, you have to move your arms out. Now this cat is going to be moving its arms out like this. And then the next one is going to be the other arm, but then this one, okay, this arm, sorry, this leg, it has to be like this, right? Yes, and then, okay, and then let's make a new one of these. This, okay, idle front is the middle one, okay? That's the middle one, and then this one is going to be the other way. It's going to go like here. This one, okay, it says 3 pixels. This is not going to be perfect. No such thing as perfection. Okay. Now we have our basic walk cycle. We got to add a tag. New tag. This is going to be animation ping pong. Sorry, ping pong. And name is going to be walk front. Okay, we have our walking, but as you all know, when you're walking, you gotta move the character. The head has to move slightly, because that is how animation works. Basic principles of animation, obviously. Everyone knows. Okay, and then do the same thing for this one. Right, it's like this. Oh yeah, look at that. It's jamming. Okay, we have our sprite. Let's save this. Let's go not in the Celeste project. Let's go back to Godot. Let's go to... Do we not save it? Save it. Save it. Where is this scene saved? New folder, scenes. This is going to be our root scene. Root. Okay, where is this project saved? This one, save it in Godot. Where is this? Shouldn't this be in the project? Project. Save scene. Where is this saved? Hold on, what the heck? Where is this? This is not in my Godot directory. Documents. Godot. It's not there. What the heck? Fishing-2025. Saved. What example? Is it in my Celeste directory? Where is this? Godot, where to find, where is project saved? How do I check? How do we save? Scene, save scene. Exit the try to exit the program. I have in fact exited the program. Godot. is not going very well. Is anyone trying to join? No one even plays this game anymore. Anyway, how's everyone doing? It's Wednesday. Oh, there it is. Wait, hold on. It's in my document folder. It's not even in my Godot directory. Hold on. Edit. Nope. There it is. Okay, let's move it. Let's move instead of documents. We got our fishing. Where is it? Fishing. This one. Put it there. It's gonna break everything. It's gonna be like we can't even find it. Well, let's close it. Try it again. And you open Godot again. Welcome to mine. Okay, there it is. There's the project. Missing project, that's fine. Remove it. Okay, then you import from Godot. Where's it's right there. This one, fishing project. Import. Okay. It's good. Okay, we have this one. Okay, now we save it. Let's go to fishing. Make a new directory, assets. This is going to be player.asprite. Okay, we have this. We have our walking animation. Let us add the asprites wizard. This one. Let's download it. Install. It is now being installed. And then you gotta remember, you gotta enable it. You gotta go to your plugins and turn it on. And then you also have to go reload, because sometimes it doesn't work if you don't reload. He's in. Okay, there it is. Okay, and then we want to make a new scene. So one thing I learned is that instead of making things based on the file type, you make it based on what it is. So we have entities. Is entity plural? Single. Plural, yes, plural because add-on is there. Okay, and then you add a character, player, and then player, then you make a new scene. It's going to be called player.tscn, right? So we go here, we have our player is right here. Then you got to add this one. Actually, it has to be a animated sprite 2D. As you all know, that's how it works. And then you got to add the what is that thing? What is it called? No, it's not animated sprite. This is a sorry, it is a player. What is it called? Character body 2D. Change type. Character body 2D. Yes. And then the character body, it has the sprite 2D. Yes. Animated sprite 2D. And then this one, this is when we add our new graphic. The thing that we just created. Okay, we go here, we move everything around because I have everything configured annoyingly. A sprite file, we go to our assets, we choose the player, and then you import it. Okay, now we have our character in the game. I simply have to adjust it. Okay, animated sprite. You also have to add a collision shape, 2-dimensional. And this one will have a capsule shape 2D. This will define the collision boundaries. It's going to be perhaps like this. Okay, and then the first animation is going to be the idle animation. Right, that's how it is. That is simply how it is. Actually, I've realized I should not have made it an animated sprite 2D. I should have just made it a sprite 2D. Because since this is going to be a top-down game, you want to use the animation tree instead, because that'll handle the left and right movement. And this is where you go. So true, Wolfie. I know everything there is to know. Sprite 2D. Get this one out of here. Delete it. Sprite 2D. Then you gotta add animation player. And animation player, so I've never actually done this, so it's going to be me learning. Welcome, Chicken Coop Enjoyer. Okay, Sprite 2D animation player is going to be this animation player. A sprite file is going to be this one. And then import it. Okay, we have our graphic. Move it up here. And then what? And then it's quite simple actually. It's actually so simple. All you gotta do is add a animation tree. Now this is where, what is this? Then you gotta set the tree root. It's gotta be animation player. You gotta assign it to this animation player. The tree root is going to be a state machine. Yes. And then we go to our animation tree. And then we add a blend space 2 dimensions. Now we have not drawn the graphics for walking side to side. Or even up. But that's fine. We can simply do that right now. Welcome, Liquid Cake. Web fishing sure looks different. It sure does. No one plays this game anymore. Neither do I. I'm not even playing this. Alright, someone trying to join. I didn't even realize you're trying to join. If you're trying to join, please say in the chat so that I know to check the game. Okay, so we have this. We have walk front. Let's add animation for walking back. As you all know, it's very easy to do. All you have to do is flip the sprite horizontally. Flip horizontal. And then you just gotta like delete this stuff. And that's all it takes. That's literally all. Do the same thing for this one. Flip horizontal. Delete this stuff. Delete that one. And you might be like, Wolfie, this cat has no tail. You're right. I should have thought about that. But I didn't. And now everything is messed up. Oh god. I should just be doing this. It's that easy. Okay, so we need a tail for this cat. Maybe from the front you can't see it, but then from the back. Okay, we have the cat tail. Right, so it's got to be like, you know, the tail. It's like that, perhaps. Over there. Okay, then you copy it. You simply just have to copy it to the other frames. And then for the other frames, welcome right in bareback, then you gotta make it like move around. As everyone knows, cats, they can't just have tails not be moving around. That's weird. You'd be like, what's the deal with this cat? It doesn't even make sense logically. Okay, you do the same thing for this one, but maybe with this one, it's gonna go like here instead. It's that easy. Okay, then you gotta add the tags for this one. New tag, walk back. Then you gotta add idle, back. Okay, and then idle, yeah, we got walk. This one, we have to change it to be ping pong. Ping pong. Okay, looking good. Idle front is going to be, you play it once. Same thing for, sorry, that's idle back. Idle front, right, and then idle back. Just play it once. Oh, wait, why is it going between them? Shouldn't it only be playing the current animation? Oh wait, what? Okay, that worked. Okay, so now we have front and back. Let's go back into our game. And then... Okay, so we have this one. I want to add some inputs. Project settings, let's go to input map. Add new action, move up, move down, move left, move right. So upward movement is going to be WASD W, and also up. And then down is going to be S, and also down. And then left, we got this one, and then also this one. Move right, we got this one, and also this one. Oops, press enter. I didn't mean to press enter. Okay, so we have inputs. Blend space 2D. You might be like, Wolfie, what is blend space 2D? I don't know. Well, it controls a directional inputs. No triangles exist, so no blending can take place. What are you talking about? What are they talking about? I don't know what that means. Okay, we can next start to, this one's going to be idle. Okay, it's going to be, go here and call it idle. And then, go into here. Blend mode discrete, because this is pixel animation, and then all you got to do, you got to add the points. How do you do that? Well, you right click. No, you do not right click. You select. Oh, there we go. Then no, you add animation. Is that true? Is that what it is? Is that how this works? Yes, I think it is. Okay, we have to re-import because we have added new animations. Okay, so we have this one, animation player. It should default to, yes, idle front. That is the default one. We also have idle back. We have walk front. We check what this looks like. It's like that. Okay, it's so easy. Making games is for babies. Yeah, anyone could do it. Okay, we got idle front. Let's go to our animation tree. Go to our idle. Okay, so we have add animation. Idle front is here. This one should be moved to point -1. And then we add a new one. Idle. Sorry, there's like a snap mode you can set, right? Snap. No, it's there. It's already there. Add animation. Idle back. Okay, this one is set to 1. Okay, let's draw our side facing animation. New frame. We have our new frame. Let's delete it. And then copy from this one. Okay, now it's got to be a cat facing the side. That's the question, is how do you draw a cat facing the side? Well, good question. I don't know. We have this one right here. That perhaps like this. And then and then it's like this, maybe, I don't know. What about this? That is messed up. That is a weird looking cat. Actually, I think that's fine. I think it's actually perfectly acceptable. Actually, I don't think it is. I don't think it is acceptable. This is a very strange looking cat. How do people do this? that. I don't know. Maybe we don't have this. We just have like... Just have like this thing. And then like maybe that's good enough. It looks a bit strange. Is everyone doing well today? Is anyone not doing well? Is anyone dying right now? You're like, oh god, Wolfie, I can't believe this. I'm doing this instead of... Oh, the cat doesn't even have a nose. Oh, that looks so much better. Okay. Hold on, this looks so... I was missing a nose. Okay, that's... Okay, it's gotta have, like, a pink nose. There you go. Actually, was it better when it was just... Maybe this is better. I'm dying at a rate of many seconds per day. That is so many seconds right there. I don't even know. Okay, maybe it should be pink because this looks like such a weird looking cat. What's wrong? What's wrong with this cat? Why does it look like this? Is this cat has like a Giga Chad chin? Is that what cats look like? Does anyone know? It looks like a possum. Hold on. Pixel art cat. Side view. What do they even look like? Pixel art cat side view. These are not really side view. These are like 3/4 view. Oh, Neko Atsume? Does anyone remember Neko Atsume? Pixel art cat side view. Maybe it doesn't have to be facing exactly to the right. Maybe it could be like slightly, you know, it doesn't really matter. Does it even matter? I don't think it does. Okay, so we have this, right? This one. This thing is right here. And then there's gotta be like this, right? And then you have the arm. And the arm is right here. It goes down to here actually. It's like over here. So it's like this. It's simply like this. And then maybe instead of like this, it should be, no, the next frames. Okay, the next frames should be over slightly. Okay, we have this one. Let us then simply move this over. And I guess that's fine, right? Is that fine? Okay, then we have the tail. Like that. This is what everyone is here for. You're like, I tune into my Wednesday fishing streams to hear him talk about stuff. And he is instead making a game. He's instead making graphics. There's nothing even for me to say, right? You're like, ah, man. Nothing even to talk about, dude. Okay, what if it's like this? Is that good? Does this even make sense? I don't think it makes sense. It should be like this. Okay, so we have this one. Let's make new frames. Welcome, Crazy Kitty. How's the graphic creation? It is not going as well as I would have liked. But it's going. Okay, we got a new tag. Walk right. We have walk right. And then this one is going to be idle right. Idle right, we have to set it to repeat once. Walk right, you gotta have it be ping pong. Ping pong the animation. Okay, and then what? And then for this, perhaps the tail has to go downward, right? Like here. And then it goes like that. Yes. And then, okay, so this one, the arm is going to be swinging this way. No fishing has even been added to the game yet. We haven't even gotten the walking graphics. Okay, we have, and then the leg, it has to go backward like this. It's that easy. Okay, and then you have the other leg, right? Don't forget they have multiple legs. Then we have the other leg is going forward, which shall be, yeah, it's simply, it's built different. Okay, so we got this. Go like this, right? Looking good. Okay, here's a pro tip for you all. You can make the other leg be shaded. Look, it's like slightly darker, and then you're like, whoa, it's like, it's got depth. It's like in the background. That's crazy. Okay, that's a pro tip for you all. Okay, then you do the same thing on this side, but then it's going the other way. Another pro tip, just copy and paste. Copy this one, delete this, okay? Paste it, and then flip it horizontally. Bam, it's that simple. I know, I've done this many times. There we have this one, get that one, and then the leg. Okay, this leg, we gotta have this be right here, right? Now this is gonna be inverted, because now it's the other leg that's in front. So this one should instead be like this. I don't know why it's playing all the animations. Doesn't it usually just play, okay, now, oh, look at that, it looks so good. Okay, and then, okay, for this one, the tail going down this time. So this time the tail goes up. Oh, and then, obviously, we have to do the same thing where like the head moves up and down. Does the arm also move down? I think it does. It moved down to here. Okay, so we move the arm down as well. It's right there. Okay, then you do the same thing for this one. And also this one. Simple as that. Simple as that. Oh, but we also have to, we gotta copy this stuff. Can't be forgetting, you know, to copy this stuff. Oops. Oh, look at this guy. Actually, doesn't like the body have to move? It's not just the head, it's like the body also has to move. Yeah, because like this part goes down. So we have to also move this one. Whoops. And then, okay, we got this one. And that one. Okay, something about this is not. Okay, so like should this also be going down? I think that would make sense, right? Does it? Does it make sense? I think it does. Wait. Yeah, we had this. It goes down like this. That's probably fine, right? Like this. Sure. I guess that works. We gotta do the same for this one, though. Man, who knew that making a game would require so much effort? I thought it was just you press a button and then the game is done. You're telling me there's graphics? People have to make games? It's crazy. Could not even imagine. Okay, is this one? You have this one, that one, and this one. Okay, but the tail should also be moved. Welcome, Capeluche. And also this one. Bam. Okay, I think that's good. Alright, then we got the idle. Okay, this one, we also then have to move the body. Yeah, but then how's that gonna work with this? Does that even make sense? Is this even making sense? We have this one here. I think it's fine. It's actually good. Wait, does this one also move down? This one? Yeah, okay. Alright, then we do the same for this one. Right there. This one, oops. Like this. Wait, but this, wait, what happened? Wait a second, this doesn't make sense. This one, this is the same. One of these legs, okay, this leg is the one that is here. So then this one, that's fine, right? Sure, I guess that works. Now, something about the shape of this cat's face is bothering me. Cats don't look like this, right? This is like this is a possum. What is this? how do people draw cats? Is it like this? Is it this eye is too far? I don't know. It doesn't look right. Well, whatever. Alright, then we have the same thing, but the other way. And copy this. How do you copy? You copy these. You paste them. Okay, this one is now here. You got this one over there. And then you add you flip these horizontal. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna drink water. It's been an hour in. This is not. We haven't even gotten any fishing. I'm gonna drink water. No. Alright, I've hydrated. I'll pick this up. hold on. Let me look at how this guy looks from this side. Like this. My guy does not look like that. Why does my guy not look like this? It's fine. Okay, let's add the new tag. Walk left. Animation direction, ping pong. Okay, then we add new tag. Idle left. Repeat once. Okay, we have all of our graphics. Everything you would ever want is here. Import it. Okay, now we have, go to our animation tree. Go back to the idle. Okay, now we have left and right. Okay, we can add animation, idle left, and then idle right. Okay, then you're like, and then what? Well, then you'll notice that when this guy goes, it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Sync is, what is it? Why is it not playing? What the? Animation tree isn't supposed to be synchronizing the movements. Did I add this for no reason? How do I edit? You can go here. Animation. Is this not the animation that I've set? Is this not literally what I just set up? Blend. Okay, I'm gonna look up a tutorial. Godot animation tree. I did this once. Godot animation tree. Blend space 2D. See, okay, so they add the nodes here. But why is my thing not doing it? Why is that not doing anything? Godot blend space 2D. Animation node. Okay, let's look at this. Let's watch this video. Replayed. Okay, they go here. They add blend space 2D. They have move, they have idle, they have move. Welcome Nano Dan. Okay, so they go here. They move that, they transition their states. Okay, just go to where you set up the actual blend space, please. Okay, they have this. They have all this stuff. I just want to see when you create the things. You're like, oh, look at that. We set it up on another move. Yeah, because you didn't add the nodes. Okay, so then you you go here, add animation. Okay, then they choose their animation. Right, that should be there. And then you add the other ones. I've done that. I've done all this. Now we have all our points. Okay. You set them up so that they're 0 and 1. Go back to root, and then change. Oh, the scale, is that a thing? Why did they set it to 1.1? Swing. What? Why set that to 1.1? Hold on. I'm gonna put 1.1 here, but why? Did they explain why they're doing this? Fishing. Anyone out there fishing? Is it because I set it to continuous? Doesn't work. Play mode. Advanced animation player. Idle front. Animation tree. Oh, is it because I didn't connect it to end? Okay, let's add a new blend space. This one is going to be a walk. Let's edit this one. We go in here. No triangles exist. No triangles exist. Oh, it's because I haven't set up no, it's there. Hold on. Exist. So no blending. How to manually create triangle. Is it because okay, because I haven't added the different things yet. Okay, add animation. This is going to be walk. I should be calling this up and down instead of back and front. This is walk back. This one is walk front. Move this down to 1. This one's going to be walk right. And then this one's going to be walk left. Oh, is it because I haven't connected it to my node? I haven't added any things. Welcome Wobbyblock. Coding my own web fishing is going to be some kind of fishing. Whether it is web fishing or not, I do not yet know. Wait, I wanted to initialize this from template. Oh, whatever, I can handle it. Okay, so we got function. Process. Hold on. So we have our animation tree, wall fishing. Okay, so we have on function process, and then function physics process. Okay, so this one. Oh, then I also want to add state machines. It's going to be kind of complicated. Let's leave this for now. Let's go back here. Okay, we have our player. Web Alatro. What? It's just no main scene has been set. This is our main scene. Game is starting. Okay, we have there's nothing here. I thought I set something up. It's because we have no camera. Camera 2D. The camera is zoomed. It is so zoomed right now. I set the zoom to 4. Okay, we have a cat. The cat cannot move yet because we have not configured it. But okay. So in physics process, let's have states. Okay. Idle, walking. And then we have our current state. State equals state.idle. Okay, so in our physics process, match state, and then if we have state idle, then do nothing yet. But then if you are state dot walking, you do nothing. Okay, if then this is when you check your input. So you have if input is action just pressed. No, there's like an axis movement, right? What's it called? Input.get axis. Get 2D. What is it called? Get axis. Get vector. That's what it is. Get vector. So negative x, positive x. So this is going to be move left, move right. Negative y is going to move up, move down. Okay, so we have this vector. Direction is equal to this vector. And then how do you set the animation? Normalize. It's got to be normalized, right? Obviously. Let's put this. Oops. Let's put this one here. Okay, so we get the direction that you have pressed. And then update animation parameters. OnReady animation tree active equals true. Animation tree dot active equals true. Update animation parameters. How do they do that? Velocity. They set the animation tree parameters. That's not what I want to do. I want to set the grid. Hold on. There's got to be like a better tutorial. Animation. This is so complicated. I thought I understood this. Turns out I don't. I thought this made sense to me. I guess I haven't actually used what's this thing called? It's not blend space. What's it called? That's how you learn exactly. Because I've only ever done platforming games. Oh, let me actually show you. You know, okay, I was gonna show you my platforming game, but I guess I'll do that on Friday. Because then to show it, I would have to open a different project. Welcome, Stove God. This is how you learn. So true. Actually, no, I can load it. I've saved the project. How do I open a new project? Quit to project list. How does the game look right now? It's in a state that's meant to not be showed. Well, this is the other game that I was making. I'm going to be working on this one on Friday. It's called Celeste, despite it not actually being Celeste. But here, it's going to be so cool. Look at this. It doesn't work. Okay. Whoops. I thought I had it. It works on my Mac. I think for some reason it is not working on Windows. So maybe something I have not set up. Player.gd130 unfunction ready. Okay, what do we got here? Downward ledge grab enabled is false. It's null. Downward ledge check is null. Alright, but okay, look at it though. We have a player, we have different collectibles. Those collectibles give you abilities. You can climb things. I added a mushroom you can jump on. I'll figure it out for Friday. Let's go back here. Oops, so it just closed itself. Okay, we go back to our fishing project. Some of the most successful games were blatant clones. Yeah, it's like how Vampire Survivors, right? Vampire Survivors was basically just like, there's like another game that was something else Survivors. And that's how it is. Okay, we got state idle. We check our direction. I want to set the, what's this thing called? The blend space. Minecraft 2? Was it actually? Coding makes my brain hurt. True, sometimes. So true. Alright. No, but I want to figure out why that doesn't work. Whatever, I'll show it to you on Friday. It's like, it's actually so cool though. I got like text boxes set up. We got jumping, we got gliding. There's so much stuff. Okay, for idle. Is anyone joining the game? Oh, I didn't even notice. You should have said you were gonna join. Welcome, Plush Mayhem. Alright, what else we got? How do I, Oh wait, why is it working now? It wasn't working before, but now it's working? Okay, so we got something. It's this classic game when things don't work and then suddenly they do work. Okay, and then what about this one? This one doesn't work though. Why does this one not work? Continuous? Discrete? What? Why? Oh, because I didn't connect it. Okay. You can go from idle to walk. Oh, guys, look. It's walking. You can walk. You can be moving. Let's go back to idle. It's not going back to idle, guys. Go back here. How do I make it not do that? Let's go here. Okay, now it's walking. Now you can, oh, look at this. Okay, this animation is wrong. Go walk left. Ping pong, that's true, right? Walk left, ping pong. Walk right. also ping pong. Why does it look weird? Why is it doing that? That's not how it's supposed to look. Like, this looks good. This looks good. It's like he's doing the gritty or something. What is that? Hold on, let's go back here. No, that's just how it looks. Okay, I just got it wrong. Why does it look like that? Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, because I moved this one down. Wait, this is not even... Where's my... This one... Okay, this one should be... Sorry, this is here instead. Okay, that looks better. Okay, let's add new tag. Walk. This is idle left. Is this one right? This one's good. Wait, it's not good. What? Why are they both going this way? Did I mess something up? Well, okay. I'll take this one, move it over here, copy this one. It's like this, right? Okay, so it should be like this. That's good. All right. So we have this one and that one. I think for some reason the cat from the front doesn't look fat, but then like from the side, is like the head too big from the side? It doesn't look like the same character. It looks like a totally different cat. Why is that? What's the deal with this cat? Should it be like this? I think that's better. Pink nose side on. Oh yeah, right. I forgot about that. I forgot I changed that. Is the head too large? Is that what it is? Okay, so it's like this, and then let's have this one like that. It's like this, and then like that. Right, is that good? I don't know. It's like this. It's like this, and then it's like that, and then it's like this. I can't tell if that's better. Oh wait, something. We have this. This is wrong. Why is this? Why is the head like this? It's like, okay, this one. Well, how do cats normally look? Do they look like this? Are cats like this? This is looking more like a possum, even more like a possum, or like a rat. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, we'll take this one, we'll paste it here, we'll flip it. Shift H to flip. Shift H, okay. And then this one, Shift H. Okay, let's re-import this. Let's go back to our animation player, our Sprite 2D. Alright, so we have our animation tree. It's walking. Okay. And then I want it to only transition when I tell it to. It is automatically transitioning. Play mode travel, we go to this one. We go to start, we go to this one. Well, Go back to our script edit. Okay, so if you're idle, how do we set the Cause like this one is like, this range comes from somewhere. How do I set it so that this comes? Do I like set a variable? Is this the parameter? How do I assign this to a parameter? It's not even called blend space 2D. What's it called? Godot animation tree 2D. Using the animation tree. Kids can code. So true. Please. This is going to be for children. Obviously, I'm going to understand this. Idle animation? Okay. Are kids really doing this kind of stuff? Is this what the kids do nowadays? State machines in Godot. Okay, we got our idle animation, attack animation. Attack. Idle. Attack. State machine. State machine parameters. Playback. State machine holds a reference to the state machine, which is an animation node state machine playback. To call an animation, use travel. Okay, but then how do you set velocity? State machine travel, velocity, attacks, pick a random. Okay, but they're doing the sign flipping thing. I want to do it via parameters. State machine. Okay, go here. On ready var animation state is a, is it animation tree? State machine. Animation tree state machine. Parameters playback. What does that sound? This song has lyrics? What the heck is this? Okay, what type is this? Animation tree parameters playback. I really wish they would have told you what type it is. Okay, it is an animation node state machine playback. Animation node state machine playback. Okay, so if direction is not equal to vector2 not 0, then state equals walking. Welcome, Zoli. What are you doing? You're playing Xenoblade. You're playing a lot of Xenoblade. I knew it. Hope you had a good stream. Hope you Xeno'd many blades. However it is that game works. Okay, so if direction is non-zero, you set state to walking, and then you go to animation state, and then you want to travel to, no, you want to do this on the init. This is when you change states. Enter state. 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 New state. This will be new state. Many Xenos in this game. Xenoblade 2 had all the blades. This game has many blade instead. What even does that mean? I don't know anything about Xenoblade. I've never played it. All I know is the characters that are in Smash Bros. There's Shulk. That's the guy who says I'm really feeling it. They've got Pyra and Mithra, who are the same character for some reason. That's it. That's all of them. It's all the states. Okay, we got states.idle, state.walking. Okay, then this is when you go animation state.travel walk. He has been playing, he was playing Xenoblade X, which is the one nobody knows about. I know about it. I've heard of it. Do I actually know about it? I don't know that I actually do. Okay, we got state equals new state. Animation state. Dot travel. Idle. They're also more or less they are also more or less the same character. How can they have multiple characters be the same character? That doesn't make sense. That makes no sense. Alright, we have export speed. It's going to be 10. I don't know. What's a reasonable speed? 100? 100.0. Export var speed. Okay, we got state. If you are walking, then what? Enter state dot walking. If you are walking, then you set your velocity equals direction times speed. Yes. That's how it is. Does this work? No, it does not work. Why does it not work? Well, simple actually. It is actually so simple. Entering state. Let's try this. Entering state, hold on. Entering state 1. Are we walking? Hold on. Oh, is it because the camera's on the character? And we have no background, so we can't tell? Could be it. If direction is equal to vector 2.0, enter state dot idle. Okay, let's try it. So we've entered the idle state. We should go, oh, is it our animation tree? We should go to the root. Pyra is basically an alt personality for Mithra to handle grief. What the heck? They're griefing? I can't believe this. Welcome, Muffin. Advanced. Oh, advanced mode auto. Advanced mode. I see. This is when you set conditions to determine whether you should be in this animation state. Switch mode, it should not be auto, it should be enabled. That'll allow us to manually control it in our code. But do I want it to be manually controlled in code? I don't actually know. You can have it be handled automatically, perhaps. You can go back from the two different states. You can go from walk to idle. Okay, so there we go. We're not walking, and then now we are walking. We're not walking. It is not working, guys. It's not working. So why is it not? Oh, it's because we this transition back to idle should also be enabled. Okay, it is working, but for some reason we have to connect it to like a variable somehow. How do we set the blend space? The variable that it depends on. Next song. Go to the next song. I don't want this song. Switch. Expression, advanced. How do you set blend? What is this even called? blend space. Welcome, Zeb. Oh, it's a cat with the white background. You don't see that often nowadays. Okay, Godot, blend space parameter. How do you set the variable? Get blend point, add blend point, blend space parameter. How did they do it here? Axis X, axis Y, normalized, apply movement, pick an animation based on a parameter called blend position. For blend space 2, blend position, parameters name of blend space, blend position. Oh, how do I get that? There's a way to get that. I don't know how. Animation tree parameters. Name. Why is there a fancy? Animation tree set parameters. Name of blend space. Idle. Okay. Animation tree dot set parameters. Oh look, it auto fills for you. Is there a way to make these use the same blend space? Blend position is direction. And then if I copy this one to here instead of idle, to walk. Okay, it works, but then it always resets to the other one. Also, I have these inverted. Let's go back to animation tree. This is a positive. I'm gonna go run some errands. Hold on, we gotta go check. It's been a while since the last X tag drawing. Yo, it's what? This is so good. Have you? This is so. What the heck? It's like this is good. I like it. I like the not like the no line art version. It's like it's what's the name for it? I don't know. It looks nice. This one's also good. Good stuff. I think this is my favorite one of everything you've drawn so far. I like this one. It looks very. It's like it fits in with the web fishing style. It's got like pixel art. This you should be making the game. You make these graphics. Anyway, okay, let's go back here. How do I make this so that it doesn't reset if it's 0? If it is 0, I see. If it's not 0, then we should set it. I did the line art style for my character since I have thick lines. Non-line art for web fishing character. That makes a lot of sense, actually. That makes so much sense. Okay, so if you were walking, you get the blend position. This one should then theoretically, it's inverted though. When I press up, it walks down. When I press down, it walks up. But okay, this one does maintain your state. Now I just need to reverse the directions. Get vector. This one, let's see. Negative y should be, yeah, move up. Positive y should be moved down. Did I like invert them? Project settings. Input map, move up. No, that's right. Move down. That's right. It's inverted. Why would they do that? This is, oh, because this should be moved down. I see. Right. man. Why would they do that? I guess it makes sense in 3D. In 2D, not as much. Okay, is there a way? Okay, add animation. This is the idle. So this one should be idle. I should really rename this. Instead of front and back, be up and down. Okay, this one, walk down, idle down. It doesn't. You'll have to. What is there a way to like replace the thing? Why would they do that? Okay, so instead of back, it'll be up, and then instead of walk back, walk up. Okay, let's go. Let's go back here. Let's import it. You have to delete it, man. Okay, animation tree. Go to this one. Delete it. Delete this one. Okay. Add animation. Idle, it'll be idle down. And then this one is idle up. It's so confusing. Okay, then we have, you gotta walk. This one, oh wait, I can just move them. I can just move these. It makes a lot more sense. Okay, but I did rename them, so I do have to delete them, because it's referencing an animation that doesn't exist. Okay, add animation. This is going to be walk down. This one is going to be walk up. Okay. Let's try it. Okay, we got this one. It goes this way, goes that way. Okay, that's good. Why does it sometimes it like flickers? It goes like from one animation like that. Do you see that? Why did that happen? Hold on. Why is it doing that? We enter state and go to this state. Okay. If you're in a new state, such as New Jersey, you have to then travel your animation state, and then you set your new state. Now, for some reason, it is not doing that. Animation tree, root, mode enabled. Oh, immediate. Switch mode immediate. No, that's fine, right? Yeah, that's fine, actually. Okay, reset. What does reset do? It's played back from the beginning when switch. I think that makes sense. Break loop at end. X fade time. Condition, expression. I don't know. See, it's like it's doing this. What is it? Why is it doing it? I mean, I guess cats do just do that sometimes, but that's no excuse for it doing this in my game. Why is that happening? We gotta know. We have to find out. Okay, animation tree. Travel to idle. Travel to walk. If you have entered new state, is it like entering new states multiple times? Perhaps. Direction, if you are not walking. If you are walking, set the parameter. If you are not walking, it does nothing. If you are walking, you set the velocity. Animation tree, you set the blend position to your direction. Also, why does it start from this one? Is there like there's like a default state? Animation tree. Is that my first frame in my idle animation? No, shouldn't it be this one? Doesn't it start from idle down? Animation player, idle down. Oh, autoplay. Autoplay on load. No, why is his arms out? Doesn't make sense at all. Hold on, animation player. Did I change it wrong? It's like this, right? It starts, why is it going to this one? It doesn't make any sense. This one, animation tree, we got the speed. Got the new state. Yeah, maybe it's fine. That's just how cats are sometimes. Just out there doing things. Alright, well. No, this is bothering me. I have to figure it out. we can't not be doing this. Okay, so we set the blend position. We set the blend position. We set the idle, we set the walk. Is it because I should be setting this all the time? Even, no, that doesn't make sense. Why would I be setting this all the time? Should this should be in else. Is that what it is? It's because when I don't press anything, it sets the blend position to 0. Could be what it is. I think that is what it was. Okay. That is in fact what it was. I figured it out, everyone. Alright, so that's good. And then what? Okay, what if I don't make the camera... Look at this. We can actually see the character move. It's not though. Is the character even moving? Velocity? We should print the position. Make sure that the character is actually moving. 0, 0. It's staying at 0. Hold on. Why is the character staying at 0? I set velocity. Oh, we gotta do move and slide. Right. I forgot about that. That's a thing that happens in games. Oh, okay, we got movement, everyone. After like an hour and 45 minutes, we have movement. This is like the most basic thing you can do in a game. Alright, that looks pretty alright to me, possibly. Alright, now we just have to make the rest of the game. Wait, hold on. It is resetting its position to the right. Sometimes. No? Okay, maybe it's fine. Schmoovin. He is in fact schmoovin. Let me commit this. Okay, we have to be committing. Always be committing. Ah, shoot. Let's go to our Godot directory. Where is Godot? Fishing. Get status, get init, get add, everything. Alright, we got a sprite wizard, we got everything. Everything is here. Initial commit. Alright. We have movement. Okay, it's time to add fishing mechanics to this game. How do we do it? We gotta... Okay, now we gotta add a tile set. Because you can't just be... You gotta have water to move around in, right? New one, it's gonna be... what's this size? It's gonna be a tile map. 64, perhaps? I mean, every one of these is going to be 8 by 8. So let's new tile map layer. Tile map. And we delete this one. Go to our grid settings. We set this to 8 by 8. Wait. Did I set this to 64? What if one of these is 8? Hold on. Grid settings. Wait, what the? Did I not literally just type in 8 by 8? Huh? What? Grid setting. Oh, the tile. I have to set the tile, right? The tile size. How do I... Tile mode normal. Ah, there we go. Okay. Grid width. Why can't I change it? All right, let's delete it. I guess it is set there when you create it. You can't change it. New tile map layer. Oh, I see. It was in advanced settings. Okay, this is 8 by 8. Tile map. Am I going to pick up Nubby's Number Factory? I don't think I will. I mean, it looks cool, but I don't know. Are you having a good time with it? Have you played it? Are you enjoying it? Okay, we're gonna add some grass tiles. You having a good time with it? It seems cool. Alright, let's open up our existing dual grid texture just to see. Oh yeah, look, I've updated. I've added spikes. I forgot to mention, the other game I've added spikes. Alright, we're gonna copy this. Paste it here. Okay, so this one, instead of it being like this, it's going to be, we're going to have dirt, we're going to have grass. So actually, this one is going to be grass. And what? I don't know. Wait, why can't I? Oh, I'm using the wrong tool. I should be using this tool. All right, so this one we have dirt. Actually, this should be the dirt. The grass should be the outside tiles. So we have grass here. You know, we could also just keep it simple from the beginning. We don't need to have detail yet. We're gonna have this one. I would like to fill it the solid color. And then same thing for this, and also this, and this. Okay, then you have the grass. Grass is right here. Grass is also right here. It's gonna look so good. You're gonna be watching this, you'll be like, whoa, what the? How does he make the grass look exactly like grass on dirt? That's crazy. Alright, so this is the tile map. Let's save this to tiles.asprite. Alright, then we gotta go add the asset lib better terrain. Better terrain. Better terrain 4.2 or better terrain regular? I guess we are. Is this 4.2? Is this the old one? 4.2 is the regular one. This is version 1.1. Oh, because this is the version 1.0. I guess we install this one. Yes, install it. fail to load, that's fine. We just have to reload the project. We have to enable the plugin. And then we got up, it has restarted itself. I didn't even ask it to, it just did it. That's cool that I can just do that. All right, so we go here. We add a tile map layer. Tile map layer. All right, then we have to add some new terrain. We add our tile set. And then in this tile set, we set the tile size to 8 by 8. We can go to our tile set. You add then the atlas, which is going to be tiles.asprite. Invalid texture. I have to import it, I guess, with asprite. All right, we go to tiles.asprite. Import as what was it? Tile set texture. That's what it was. And then click re-import. It's currently loaded. Okay, that's fine. And then you go to in your scene, go back to your tile map layer, tile set, and then you add the thing you tried to add. And now it's there. It's modified, create it. I sure would love to. All right, so we have this. And then we want to add terrain. So we have two different things, okay? We have, I think the default is going to be grass. So we're going to set decoration to be the grass tiles. And this is going to be based on the thing that's in the top left. If there's grass in the top left, it's going to be this. You might be like, Wolfie, what are you doing? What does this even mean? It's the dual grid system. It's so simple. It's easy. New terrain, dirt. Okay, then we assign our dirt tiles. If the top left is dirt, it will be in the dirt tile. Okay, now we have to add our peering bits. Okay, this is the thing. You define whether something is there. So then this one, if this is what's in the top left, you want to say on the right side and down, there's dirt. Okay, this one, there's dirt over there. This one has dirt in these places. This one has dirt there. This one has dirt here. This one has dirt here. You just imagine this is like a 2x2 grid, and you're ignoring the top. Okay, this one is all dirt. The dirt is over there. This one, dirt is on the right side. Dirt is in all the sides. This one, top left, it's here. There's no dirt here. The dirt's going to be there, and then this one's over there. And this one's good. Okay, then you go to decoration. Okay, this one, where is their dirt? Sorry, where is their grass? It's over there. This one, there's grass. Oh no, we're defining where there's dirt. Sorry. Yeah, what am I doing? Oh yes, you're adding, okay. If there is dirt, no. Oh, we should be adding, what am I doing? What am I doing, guys? Decoration, this one. Wait, is this fine? Is this how it works? How did I set it up in my other project? This one, if there's nothing here, then this goes here, right? Is that how this works? No, I think this is fine. Okay, then you go to your, it's probably not fine actually, but I'm gonna pretend that it's fine. Okay, you select all these. Select everything, then you set the set the rendering texture origin is going to be -4 and -4. Okay, then all of that was simply so that you could do this. Okay, but actually we do need grass because I forgot that by default there's nothing there. So it should not be decoration. It should be grass. This one, grass. All right, so this one, undo all of this. It should not be like this. Grass. Okay, everything else here is grass. And then we have to redo this peering bit stuff. Okay, so this one, for grass, okay, I see what I'm doing here. You gotta set all this stuff. So this is grass. You have grass over here. You have grass there. This one is grass. That's grass over there. This one, we got two grass. It's grass over there. There's no grass. This one, grass is there. And this one, and that one. Grass over there. All of this is grass. That's grass. This is grass. Okay, then you go to dirt. And then you say where the dirt is. This dirt is here. Wait. No, this is not dirt. Hold on, this is dirt. That's dirt. It's grass. We got dirt over here. That's dirt in this one. It's dirt over there. Wait, but this is dirt. No, yeah, that's fine. It's so confusing, guys. You're looking at this, you're like, I don't know what I'm looking at. What is he even doing? This doesn't even make any sense, dude. But it's fine. Okay, now that we have this, we paint the grass. Okay, the grass is here. Why is that doing this? Grass. Okay, this one, I see. If there's nothing, it should be using this one. Okay, so that's right. I think I've set it up incorrectly. It should be actually +4. I think. Go to terrain. Nope, it is not correct. Is it correct? No, I think it is correct. Okay, then we got dirt, right? Dirt. I had it the other way. This should be instead. I had it right last time. Okay, so this is dirt. Dirt over here. Dirt over there. Okay, that looks good. And there. Okay, everything is totally fine. Oh, that is not fine. Everything is fine except over there. That is not fine, actually. Turns out it is not fine. Now, how do I fix this? Well, go over here. You set the dirt over there. No, that's dirt. This one, grass is over there. Dirt is over here. So the issue is when we have dirt at the edge next to grass, when there's nothing. Oh, we need to add the decoration. Wait, how? What? This doesn't make sense. I guess we just never... I don't know. I just don't know how this works. Okay, we just don't have grass. Don't have dirt on the edge. It's that easy. And this doesn't look right. The grass is here. It's not there. Okay, this is gonna look nicer when I smooth out the edges. Look at this, guys. It's gonna look so good. It's gonna be like, whoa, that's crazy. It's cray. Whoa, look at that. It's smooth grass. Okay, we have to set the, what's it called? The settings. Linear. What is it? Nearest. Shapes. Filter. It's filter. Also, I should hydrate. Rendering textures, nearest. Yes. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna drink some water. Alright, I've hydrated. Everything is good. Is anyone even no one plays this? No one plays this game anymore. Okay, let's round these edges out a bit more. Same for this one. The big event. What's the big event? Web fishing. Webbed fishing. Yo, look at this. Crack. Oh, is she streaming right now? Is that what it is? She was supposed to do it yesterday, but then she is not. She is live. Well, I'm gonna raid into her. Somehow assume you didn't even turn it on. Web fishing. Who's Craggy? Craggy _ channel. Welcome, Alchikar. Oh, what the? Okay. So tile map layer should be first. Okay, we have textures. We can walk around on things. There are things here that we interact with. That's good. That's good. Okay. So let's fill the entire terrain with grass. And then we add some dirt. Little dirt path over here, right? I don't know. What is this? Wow, look at that. Amazing. It's great. Is it great? I don't know. Alright. Sure. Okay, you could also make this look nicer, like over here. You could go here, you can smooth these out. It could be like this, you know. That's the thing about these dual grid tile set, is that you can extend beyond. Look at that, it's smooth. It looks good. It doesn't actually look good. It kind of looks alright, actually. Terrain. Yeah, this is terrain. Okay, now we have to add some water. Now, the issue with this dual grid system is that you have to be adding things everywhere. Well, I think you could avoid having to connect the terrain simply by, oops, what was it? Okay, let's make new ones. This one, we're gonna make some water. It's here. Okay, and then this one, it's going to be just this color. What the? That's a different thing. I wanted this to be a different thing. Let's do this one. And then this one. Whoops. Okay, then you paint this in, and then you have to delete the rest of it. No, that's a different thing. Let's go back here. Let us go here. Okay. Delete this one, delete that one. Then you use the paint bucket tool on this guy. And then copy this one, you paste it there. Okay, now we have water. You go to your tile set. What is this one? Why is that one there? Hold on, that shouldn't be there. Can we like remove unused tiles? This one, get that out of here. Delete it. What the? Hold on, remap tiles. It's right there. Okay, these are all there. Okay, then we set up all of them. And then we set up the terrain as well. Go to terrain, we add new terrain. Water. Now this terrain is going to be everything that has water on the top left. It's going to be this one. It's not this one. Got this one, that one, these ones, and that one. Okay, then we add the piering bits. This is going to be on its own layer. Decoration, this is going to be when there's nothing there. It's going to be all of these other ones are decoration, terrain, and then we go here. Let's see, this one, there's water on these sides, there's water over there, there's water in all these places, that's water, there's water over there, and there, and here, and here, and there, there, and here, and there. Okay, then we make a new tile map layer. Wait, we just duplicate this one. Okay, so this one is water. And this one is land. Alright. We get terrain. Welcome Hamp. Select water. We also need to change the whatchamacallit, the offset. These should all be texture origin -4 and -4. Okay, now we can paint some water. That is wrong. That is actually, why is that wrong? Okay, we didn't consider many things. Actually, turns out that something is totally wrong here. What did I mess up? We go to terrain, we go to water. Okay, this one is water over there. Oh, I need to add the decoration pyramid. There's nothing there. Is that what it is? This gets kind of complicated sometimes, you know? Sometimes that's just how things are. It makes no sense. This is over there, this is over there. These are all there. It's over here. We got those two. We got these. Okay, I think this should be better. That is not better. Why is this? What the heck? This doesn't make any sense. What did I do? What did I even do? Should this instead be not that? I think no one even understands what I'm doing. This is a very weird way to do it, by the way. People don't tend to do it like this. What about this? Wait a second. What? What is this? What is this? I don't know. Alright, let's go out of the water, we go to terrain. Terrain. Water. Grass. Water. Decoration. And this one, if there's nothing there, it's gonna be there, right? This one, it's over there. These guys are over there. Those are there. Now these are here. Do I even need these to be here? Is my issue that these guys... Nope, I think you do need those. Okay, this one, we got everything up there. This one, it's over there. It's over there. None of this is even fishing. Can you believe this? I'm just gonna make a fishing game. Haven't even gotten any fishing done. Alright, this one, decoration. Decoration. If this is here, if that is there, this is here. Maybe I don't need any of these. You must first create the universe. So true. So true. Okay, let's try this one. Whoops. Go back here and you do this thing. What am I doing here? Go click on water. And then that's not how this works. This makes no sense. What is that? What is this? This is like a shadow underneath? What is that? What does that mean? Tile set. Set these back to -4. Okay. And then how did I do it in my other setup? I kind of wish you could open multiple projects in Godot, like in different windows. This one you have to like quit to project list and then like load your previous project. And then this one's gonna fail to build for whatever reason because I messed something up. Wait, did I mess something up? Is it working now? It doesn't work. Okay, let's see how I have set up my what is it called? The world scene. This is where I set up the terrain. So we have dirt layer. I set it up the opposite way, but I think it should work both ways. Okay, so we have this one. The dirt is on the bottom left. That's fine. There's decoration there. Decoration is here. Okay, so I don't set up any peering bits for decoration. So that's fine. But the dirt specifically. Dirt, I've set it up so that these things are there. I go to the tile set. And then if I choose these ones, select. These all have their rendering to 4. I think it makes sense that mine is -4, right? Can I like revert all my changes? Okay, let's reload the previous project. Go to fishing. We're loading it. Everything is here. Alright, we go to water. We go to terrain. We zoom in. Water. So there's water in the top left. Then it's marked. It's over there, it's over here. These things are over here. That seems good. Go to decoration. None of those are there. Get this out here. Delete these ones. Delete that one. Why does it not work? Oops. Select the water. Paint it. Tile set. And choose all the water tiles, right? All of these. Terrains, rendering, -4. Do I have like extra ones? We have this one on the bottom. No, that's fine. That's actually fine. This one's on the right. These ones are down. These ones are also down. It's over there. This one is there. It's good. It's actually totally good. Oh, because it. Wait. Wait a second. Why are these not deleted? Go back here. We can't even do it. Click on this. Paint on these. Go here. Strange. Quite strange. It's like the top part does not. The bottom seems to be alright. This one is in the right spot. If we have just this thing on its own, there should be a thing, you know, like a thing on the top left. Do we have one that is only? Wait a second. This one is here. That's good. It's fine. This one's good. What kind of lore should the fishing game have? Some kind of game. No one really even knows games, honestly. Wait. This one's here. This one is there. Where is the one that is the one where we have water only on the bottom right? No, there it is. So why is this one not there? Decoration? Answer the age of question with did you know gaming with a resounding no. I did not know gaming. I don't know anything about gaming. Why is this? Hold on. If I have just one tile, oh, is it because I didn't set up like a single? Hold on. Water. This one should only no. That's fine. It's this one. Okay, but then if this is here, and then I have something below, so like hold on. This one. Oh, I should be setting the water. Wait. This one's there. If I have something there. Yeah, shouldn't this be there? Is this not how it works? I put this here. Put the water. That's there. That's fine, right? If this is here, then we should put that there. But why is it not being put there? Why is it not being put there? That is the question we all want to know. Rendering -4. I mean, that makes sense, right? That makes total sense. Now then. That should be there. We have this one. This one is water. If I put decoration, you cannot put just decoration. Put water, right? And we do have water on the bottom right. There is water. If this is here, then this is placed there. We should have. If I do this, I mean that looks fine. This looks fine. We're missing these. These things are not working. Why is that? Am I setting these up wrong? Top left is there. This is too complicated. How do game developers do anything? You know, this makes no sense. Water. Should this one not be this? Is that what it is? No. Okay, let me watch a video. Let's go to better terrain. Godot. YouTube tutorial. You go to his other video that I watched. Dual grid system. You go here. When does he sets up the peering bits? Okay, this thing right here. Go here. Okay, go back. Go back one. Okay, hold on. So let's see. This one, if it's in the top right, he sets it there. Right, that's good. I have that. Do I have that? If it's in the top left, it's there. Yes, I have that. And then there I have that one. We have two of them. Where are they? Two. It's the other one. This one. Yes, I have that set up. And then if it's there, I have this set up. I mean, that should be good, right? Why is it not working? Why is my thing not working? It goes there. He has it set up. And it works. What is he doing that I'm not doing? Like, I've done this before. In my previous project. And he goes there. He sets this one. So you just put this one, he puts that one on the right side. Right? Yep, that's how he does it. But why? But why, guys? Like, this works. But then it doesn't. Welcome, Props Not Jack. Fishing, we are so fishing right now. Yeah, am I fishing? Is anyone even fishing? Tag Barrel's fishing. Are you still in this game? Where are you fishing? You got a stingray. Alright, let's go back here. You have this. This one is there. Is it because I'm not saving? What if I save it and then I do it? Is it because I have mixed terrain here? If I do it like over here. Wait a second. It's because it's combining the different layers? It's because I have it on top of the grass? This works fine, actually. I thought these were on different layers. I thought they shouldn't be interacting because, okay. Turns out it worked the whole time. I just had it messed up. Okay, well. Why are these interacting? Strange. Quite strange, honestly. What if I put them like... Why are these connected? When he does that in his video, does he even... Welcome, Michael. Michael Ray, what were you doing? Shout out, Michael. Repo annual Gullible Day with Ember and Choco and Shuzki and Savinka and Bonapause. Welcome, Casanova. Welcome, Carabelle. Wait, the stream's over? Were they all streaming? Or is it only you? Wait, aren't these collabs usually on Fridays? What's going on? There's two of us. We can make it if we try. Welcome the Only Bomber. Welcome Hiccup as well. You moved them. Out there moving collabs on Wednesday. That's crazy. That never happens. Well, I hope it was good. Hope you had a good time playing Repo. I honestly still don't know what that game is about. I've tuned into people playing it, and I have not actually paid attention. My impression is that it's like Lethal Company, but like I also don't really know if that's true or not. Is that true? Would you say it's like Lethal Company, but like somehow different. What's the difference? Or what makes it more fun, if anything? Michael's terrible at it. Don't think he understands it either. No one really understands anything. Especially in this economy. No one is even doing anything. The monsters, different monsters. It's fast paced. Well, I hope you had a good time. Hope you caught many monsters. Anyway, Raiders, today I'm making a fishing game, but it's been 2.5 hours and all I have is this. I haven't even added fishing to it, like, at all. The comedy of how much more difficult it is to get treasure out where 3 people have to carry a piano while running from monsters. Oh, it's not like one person can carry you like need teamwork for multiple people to carry things. I see. That makes sense. Possibly. It's physics based. Oh, I see. Is Lethal Company not physics based? I guess like once you hold on to the item, it's just like in your inventory. It doesn't have like collision or anything, unless you drop it. I see. The pace is nice unless sitting around when you die. Interesting. Interesting. Well, that's cool though. That's nice. You can get resurrected. Is that a thing in Lethal Company? I guess like in Lethal Company, when you die, you have to wait until the next round, right? It's my favorite Lethal Company clone. What is your least favorite one? You ever play a Lethal Company clone and be like, this sucks. I can't believe this game is not even as good. I die too fast every time in Lethal. Just sit there. Yeah, but then you get to watch, and then you can be like, oh, look, they don't even know the impending doom. I've only played 2, so Lethal Company will be my least favorite. Man, this guy hates Lethal Company. It's crazy. What if I made Lethal Company? What if this game is Lethal Company? No, I'm gonna add fishing, okay? We have half an hour to add fishing to this game. We have 30 minutes. It's honestly that easy. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do, okay? Instead of doing that, I am going to use the paint bucket tool and whoops, didn't mean to do that. Didn't mean to do that either. I'm gonna do this one and this one. Lethal Company fishing, they could have that. How would that work though? You have like fish, and then what if the monster, you have to like, I don't know, how would that even work, guys? Logically speaking, does that even make sense? Okay, we're gonna redo this whole thing. These things are not decoration tiles. They are grass tiles. Grass, right there. Grass, grass, grass. Okay, now we get rid of this water because it is wrong. It is incorrect. We go back here, we go back to terrain, we go here. That looks, that's incorrect. What is happening? You could probably do that as a lethal mod. Fishing? They should add fishing. I feel like many games should have fishing. It just makes sense. It's like Skyrim. It just makes sense. It is simply simple. Simple as that. Wait, why is this? Oh, that's grass, right? This one is, what have I done? This is grass. This one, is that water? This, wait, that's green. The colors are too different. You fish with monsters chasing you. Interesting concept. I have no idea how it plays. I assumed it was horror adjacent. I just zoomed out, didn't engage with it at all. What if it was phasmophobia? I also never understood the appeal of phasmophobia. Some people, they love it. But I look at Phasmo and I go, I don't get it. It doesn't make any sense to me. If you want a stressor for fishing, you can add a guy checking if you have a permit. You gotta fish with a permit, obviously. Imagine not having a permit. Permit the frog, you know? Instead of Kermit, it's permit. Wouldn't that be cool? Ghost hunting is cool, and in Phas the ghosts are real. Are they real though? Are you sure that they are real? Hold on, we got grass. This grass is green. Sorry, blue. Grass is not blue. Come on. Settings. How do I change the color of this grass? Settings. Let's make that like darker green. Okay, that makes more sense. Water is going to be blue. You all know water is blue. Is water really blue though? I'll change the dirt to be dirt colored. Can you make the grass greener? No. It's always, the grass is always greener. But is it really though? Is the grass really always greener? I don't know that it is. Alright, so that's grass. We got water. That's water right there. And then it's got water over there. Water's over there. There's water over here. Easy. The grass is much greener. What if they lied? What if the grass is not actually greener, but you just think it is? Would they do that? Would they just lie? I don't know. Well, we got some grass here though. Look at this grass. We got grass everywhere. Water is here. Alright, let's try painting with this one. Let's put the water here. Yo, what? It works. Okay, it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Why? Oh, it's because it's on the edge. Right, that's fine because we don't handle that yet. Is it fine? Hold on. This tile should be grass. Now I guess as long as it's off screen, it's totally fine. Everything. Nope, that's not fine at all. Well, what the heck? Why is it doing that? Okay, it's because there's nothing. There's nothing there. Whatever, it's not going to be visible on the camera anyway. We get this water right there. Get that water. Alright, we have our fishing. There's the lake. You can walk on the lake, it's fine. Okay, now we have to go to our script. Jesus cat. Okay, then we have to add can I even do anything in like the next it's like 20 minutes? I mean, 20 minutes is a good amount of time. I could add all the fishing mechanics in 20 minutes. Surely. Surely, right? I don't know if I can. I don't even know what kind of, like, how am I even gonna do this? Cast animation. See, it's gonna be so complicated though, because we have 4 directions. Actually, is it gonna be that complicated? Maybe not. So we can add, let's add new empty frame. This one here. Copy this guy. This is going to be cast down. Okay, we have our fishing rod. It's going to be, whoops, look at this. No, we should make it on a new layer, right? Sprite has layers. New layer. Look at that, new layer. Bam. Okay. You hold out the fishing rod. I guess the cat should always be having a fishing rod, right? This is a fishing game. It doesn't make sense to walk around without one. So we do this. We'll have the fishing rod like this. And that. And then this one goes down. Over here. It's over here. And there. No, this should be like this. That looks good. I think, maybe. Okay, so we have this fishing rod. Then we have the one from this side. It should be flipped because, you know, that's how things work. It is now on this side. And then also here. Right. It's here. It should be there. And then, oh, but this one, hold on. It's there and there and there. And then this one is there. I think that's good, right? Now we could delete some of these. Delete this one. And then delete this one. Okay. We have fishing rod. And then we're gonna have this side one. So the cat is holding it in his right hand. So this one, oh, what the heck? You flip it. It's there. This one, it's like kind of hard to see. It's like obscuring your vision of his face, which you don't really want. It's not really a thing that you want to happen. Maybe like this. Okay, so this one's here, and then it has to go back. Right, it's like this. I think it should be angled the other way. Wait. Fishing rods are usually like this. like that. Sure. And then the other side, I guess you can't really see it, so we don't need to do it there. Okay, now we can add the casting animation. This one is here. Okay, now how would I do that? Well, the cat would then be raising its hand up. And then this thing would go up. Could also be rotated. See, holding on to it by the absolute end of the rod. I guess it shouldn't be, but that's how I drew it. It would make sense that it is not like that. Do they do that in webfishing? They don't. Okay, they have it correct in webfishing. Well, I mean, it's not exactly on the very end, right? It's like there. It's like a little bit. No, it's not exactly. It's like slightly, you know, just a little bit. Okay, we could do this to, so it's like it's going through. Like that, right? And then this one there. As long as it's intentional. It was not intentional, but it is now. Okay, so how do you cast? You go from this to this. And then the hand has to start going up. Like that. And then you add the new frame. Man, it's kind of annoying. You have to like animate this in like multiple directions. Facing upward and downward and left and right. How do people do this? How does anyone do a video game animation? It's impossible. It's literally impossible. Alright, then you have this one. And that one. That looks good, right? This looks fine. I mean, you would typically use both hands for this probably, but actually, did they use both hands in this one? They do, okay. But this one, I mean, the hand isn't, it's not long enough for that. This cat has stubby arms, it doesn't work. Oh, it's fine. Okay, let's add a tag. New tag. Cast down. Okay. Cast down, ping pong, repeat once. So it goes from here to here to here. Sure. Okay, let's at least add like, let's just have like the downward facing one. We go to player, we go to animation tree. Animation tree, blend space, cast. You can go from idle to cast, and from cast to idle. Alright, I got idle. Advance enabled. Advance enabled. All right, now we have a new state, casting. So then we have to add an input, cast. It'll be the Z button or space. Okay, so if you are in the idle state and elif input dot is action just pressed, cast, enter state dot casting. All right, and then if you are in the casting state, animation state, travel, cast. Okay, then by default, if you are in casting state, input is action pressed. If you're holding down the cast button, then you should be casting. If you're not, if you have let go of the button, then you want to add a fishing state. Fishing. Want to enter state dot fishing. Okay, so if you have entered the fishing state, you don't have fishing animation just yet, but we should, okay. We should store the fishing power, like how long you have held down the thing. Well, let's see. Var cast duration is a float, should be set to 0 at first. Okay, so when you enter the casting state, you set cast duration to 0. And then as long as you're holding down, cast duration plus equals delta. And then when you let go of it, once you have let go of the state, then you go to fishing state. Then you have to cast the lure direction based on how long you've held it down. Let's see. How would that work? You also have to make graphics for this. Man. Okay, we can add a default graphic. Just add a sprite 2D. And then we add, let's just add the Godot, the default Godot logo. This is the lore. Alright, then we get a reference to the lore. We have on ready lore. Okay, so we have lure position. If you have fishing, we should also have a target, right? Target. Hold on. Var. We should have a max duration. What is it called? Lure max cast distance should be perhaps 30. And then and all the enjoyer, yeah, all these, got them. Max cast duration. If you cast for a maximum of 2 seconds, right, okay. So max cast duration. Cast duration plus equals delta cast duration. Okay, if you've cast it longer than that, if you've entered the fishing state, then cast duration equals the min of cast duration and max cast duration. And off the bed is what I wanted to say, but it's almost time for rating. Oh man, it's already 7:52. I didn't even get the casting done. Max cast distance. Okay, then you gotta like cast distance equals lerp from 0 to max cast distance by the weight is going to be cast duration divided by max cast duration. All right, so we got var cast distance is this, and then what? Variable type is being inferred. Oh man, okay, it's a float. Okay, then you set the position of the lure.global position equals global position plus, oh, but then we need like which direction you're facing. We need facing direction. Var facing direction. Vector 2 dot down. Y is down in 2D, this vector points to positive y, that makes sense. Okay. We gotta have our facing direction. Facing direction. Facing direction. Facing direction. I guess it just equals direction. I don't know. Okay, global position plus, it's a Godot IDE. What do you mean? This is just Godot. Global position is equal to your global position plus cast distance times facing direction. Isn't Godot a framework? It's an engine. It's like Unity. Okay. Lore.visible equals true. But free, it is free. Okay, when you enter, when you exit, oh, you also have to exit state. Man, all right, whatever. Let's see. So we should have, okay, that is the lore right there. It is crashed. Cannot convert from int to float. Max cast distance 30.0. Lore.visible equals false. Okay, we're here. It is there. It has been casted. No, it should start from where you are, and then it should play the animation. Man. Global position. Ah, man. It's too much. Hey, lure target position. Lure target position. Okay, so lure target position. Vector, it's a vector 2. Vector 2.0. Lure target position equals this. Okay, then on process, lure dot position equals lure position dot global position. Move toward lure target position delta if lure target lure is if state equals state dot fishing. Nope. What? Okay, let's make the lure smaller. That is huge. Set the scale down to like really small size. Right here. Oh, the lure should be set to your current position. That's what it is. Welcome, Brooke. Lure position. Global position equals global position. Fish can't get away if the lure is bigger. So true. Okay, we should set the max distance to be a bit higher. Max cast distance, I don't know, like 100? What? Why is it only being sent over there? Global position. Print lure.global position. It's not moving, guys. It's not moving. It should be in the physics process as well. It's not moving. It's not working. Lure target position. We don't even have like an indicator where it's supposed to go. Lure target position, it's the same. Lure target position equal to, maybe it should just be 0. Should just be cast distance times facing direction. Lerp cast distance. Lure visible. And then go lure position. Move toward this. What? Anyway, well, that's gonna be it. Yes, I'm going to end the stream. Okay, we have accomplished nothing today. Oh, we didn't accomplish nothing, but we didn't get that much done. And thanks Tag Barrel for being the only one fishing besides X Tag. Look at this, it's so good. It's like, this is like the best art I've seen in web fishing. That detail, so much detail. It's good. Alright, that's gonna be it. Thanks for stopping by. Screenshot. Alright, save and quit. That's all, folks. Alright, let's see what day. You know, we don't even need to say it. Do we need to see what day it is? It's Karagi. It's Karagi's day. We're gonna raid Karagi. Assuming she's still streaming. Why would she not be streaming? Is she still streaming? She is still streaming. Okay. Nice wallpaper. Thank you. Alright, what's the raid message? Bunch of days. Make up your own holiday day. Wear a hat day. Does she have a hat? Is she wearing a hat? Hold on, let's go. This is Karagi's channel. She is not wearing a hat. Oh, we could do make up your own holiday day, right? She has no hat. Make up your own holiday day raid. Alright, slash raid Karagi _ CH. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll be back on Friday with another programming stream, but that time I'll actually know what I'm doing because it's going to be the project that I've been working on that for some reason did not work today. But it works locally. It just didn't work on Windows for some reason. But yeah, it's gonna be a platformer. It's a Metroidvania style platformer. You unlock abilities such as climbing walls and ledge grabbing and gliding and jumping. I've added the ability to jump on mushrooms. You can push crates around. There are spikes that will kill you. We've added room cameras where you move between different rooms and then the camera follows you. A lot of stuff going on. Anyway, look forward to that. Good times. Also, thank you, Michael, for the raid again. That's it. That's all. Everything. That's everything. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Goodbye.